Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Double and thanks for tuning in, for always watching my video. Yes. So guys, as you can see from what you are seeing here today, it is one pot spaghetti bolognese. I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious, good looking food you are seeing here. This food is very easy to prepare. It is healthy and also very nutritious. Trust me, you are going to love it. Don't go nowhere. So guys, welcome back. Yes, as you can see, I have everything already set here, what I'm going to use for this recipe. I'm going to list them to you one by one. I have my spaghetti there, my carrots, my minced meat or grounded meat. I have my mixed bell pepper, onions, and my spices as well. My my black pepper, my spices, mixed spices. I have also olive oil here as well. So guys, I'm also going to list the other things, everything in the description box. So here I have my water in the pot. I'm going to add my salt to it. I'm going to first start cooking the pasta, the bolognese. Okay, while that is cooking, I'm going to start frying the other stuff. So as you can see, I have my pan here. I'm going to add my olive oil to it and let it hot a little bit, and after that I'm going to add my onions to it. Okay, I'm going to let the onions fry for like some minutes, let's say like 30 seconds to 1 minute, and after that I'm going to add the other stuff to it as well. Yes guys, and as you can see, it has fried for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that I added my grounded meat to it, or my ground meat. So I'm going to fry it, let it fry. Okay, and after that I'm going to continue to the next process. As you can see guys, it has fried also like the way I want it to be now. Okay, I'm just going to add my carrots to it, my frozen carrots. Yes, this carrot is also very good because I cut them and store it in the freezer like that. Okay, and after that I'm going to add my mixed bell peppers. Okay, I'm just going to give it a good stir everything together and let it fry for some minutes. And yes guys, I'm going to let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it is very important. And after frying, letting it fry for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add my tomatoes, my canned chopped tomatoes, and my smooth tomato paste as well. So I'm just going to stir everything, stir together, and add some water later, and the spices as well. Yes guys, like I said, it is very easy to prepare, and before you know it, the food is ready. So now I'm going to add my water to the pan so that the tomatoes will cook properly also. Okay, yes, I'm going to add more water to it, a little more water, and after that I'm going to start adding my spices to the pan. Okay, and like I said before, I'm going to start adding my spices to the pot now. Okay, I'm going to start by adding the, the thyme. Yes, here is my thyme. I'm going to start adding the thyme. I'll put the thyme, and after that I'm going to add my garlic powder as well. Okay, yes, and after adding the garlic powder, I'm going to add the black pepper to the black pepper as well. Okay, and after adding the black pepper, the paprika comes in as well, and the mixed spices and the other black pepper, like the one that you have to like turn. Okay, like the mixed black pepper as well. Yes, so that's it guys. I'm just going to do that and stir everything together later on so that it will cook properly. And after doing that, I'm also going to add a little amount of salt to it, like you can see there, and also my half Maggi cube as well. Yes, it is very important to add Maggi to the food so that you have that good taste. And guys, with the combination of everything that I have in there, wow, the aroma is everything. The taste is just awesome. It has that taste, like that restaurant, that like that Italian restaurant taste, you know, that spaghetti bolognese taste you get from the restaurant. Yes guys, so as you can see, my pasta has cooked. Now I'm going to remove it and let it and cool it with cold water to stop it from cooking. Okay, so and as you can see, after that I added my pasta to the sauce, and now I'm going to just put everything in together and then stir also, so that everything will just mix and cook properly. Yeah. And yes guys, this is how you're supposed to do it. Stir everything together, mix it together so that everything will come out perfect. Okay, and the taste will be really good. And as you can see, my pan is a bit too small, so I'm going to turn it to this pot. Now I'm going to turn the pasta to the pot, and then so that it will cook properly, so that it will really cook properly. Yes guys, so that's it. As you can see, the pasta is a bit many. It was too many for that pan. Okay, so now I can stir it properly. I can really stir it properly and let it cook for some minutes. Okay guys, yes, like I said before, we are almost getting to the end. As you can see, I added salt to it because the taste was not enough. So I also added the minced spices, the black pepper, and other stuff to it as well, because I want everything to really like go inside, so that taste will come out unique and delicious. Yes, so that's it guys. And after doing that, I have to stir together again. So I'm going to cover it also now and let it cook for like 2 minutes. Okay, and after that guys, look at this, so now I'm just going to stir again, and as you can see, the water is not that much anymore. Like the water is dried. Okay, it's not like really dried, but the water is not too much. And I also don't like my pasta to be like too dried. Okay, I like it to be a bit watery, like the way it is right now. This is the perfect spaghetti, the perfect sauce that I like. Okay, yes, that's how I like my spaghetti. And guys, as you can see, the food is ready and it is looking so delicious. Guys, that's how I prepare this delicious one pot spaghetti bolognese you are seeing here. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Subscribe, click on the bell icon, and also like and comment. Please also help me to share the video as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are going to give this a try. Guys, when I tasted this food, when I ate it, oh goodness, the taste was everything. It tastes really good. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.